Hello everyone, I'm Anita. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthier living. So today the topic is brain food. So brain is an organ that controls the rest of our body 24 bar 7. It works tirelessly for us all through the day and night, even when we are asleep. So it controls most of the involuntary actions of the body as well as the voluntary actions of the body. So it becomes one of the most important organs which requires premium nourishment. Although the brain is relatively a small organ and only adds up to 2% of our body weight, it requires 25% of the energy that our body produces on an everyday basis for its functioning, simply because it's the control center for all the other organs in the body. So it becomes all the more important for us to give our brain the right kind of fueling. So most part of our brain is made up of water. About 60 to 65% of the brain is water. The next thing that it's made up of is good fat, or the fat in the body. Okay, so the brain has these two major components. Brain requires a lot of nourishment in terms of vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. Yes, you heard that right. It's carbohydrates, I said. And why our brain requires carbohydrate is that the glucose is one of the fueling system of our brain. So if you have ever gone on a low carbohydrate diet or a low calorie deficit diet, you would have noticed that your cravings have suddenly increased, and you have the craving to eat more and more of carbs, or the minute you look at any of the carbohydrate rich food, you want to reach out for that. The reason behind is the brain actually requires a certain amount of carbohydrates for its functioning. So eliminating carbohydrates out of your diet is a simple no. So it's better that you consume the right kind of carbohydrates into your diet in the form of whole grains. So the number one important food for the brain is carbs, and that comes in the form of whole grains. One, because it's rich in fiber, it's also rich in other vitamins and minerals that the brain and other body organs require. So it's ideal that you switch over from refined carbs to whole grains, whole carbs. Okay, the second most important requirement of the brain, like I said, it's made up of fat, so it requires good fat in the diet. Now, good fats come from nuts that we eat in a vegetarian diet, fishes in a non vegetarian diet, and it also comes from certain oils that we consume. So, switch over from refined oils to cold pressed oils. That's the first thing that you do. And the second thing that you do is include walnuts on a regular basis in your diet, and also include coconut oil, or dry coconut as a part of your routine every day, because that's a brain fueling food as well. So it has medium chain fatty acids, so it really helps in terms of building the myelin sheath of the nerves in the brain. And the third important food is water. Now, since 60% of the brain is made up of water, consuming water on a regular basis will help the brain staying focused. So, most of us tend to forget to drink water, or we are so engrossed in the work that we are doing that we forget to, include water, and we get dehydrated. The first sign of dehydration is you kind of feel headache, or there's a heaviness in the head, or you kind of feel slightly dizzy. So any of these feelings, if you have when you're working or when you're waking up after you finish your work, because you're so engrossed you don't realize, and then you get up, you know that there is a water deficit in the body and you require to replenish it immediately. So drink water constantly, and make sure that you're doing it on a regular basis, not like you have 1 liter in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the night, but at regular space timing, so that your brain can get enough of water when it requires it. And the next important part of the brain food is green leafy vegetables, or iron rich foods. So when we look at iron rich foods, green leafy vegetables are the ones that come to our mind the most. But apart from that, you can include till seeds into your diet every day. You can And dates and figs are also rich sources of iron, so consume them on everyday basis. And the last and final and probably the most important of them all is vitamin D. Vitamin D is a sunshine vitamin, and the receptors for vitamin D is found all over the brain. So it is really important that you get enough vitamin D so that your body can absorb and produce the neurons that your brain requires. So in case you're not getting enough vitamin D, or you're deficit in vitamin D, make sure that you consult a doctor and start on a supplement so that your vitamin D levels rise. Parallelly, also step out in the sun so that your body can produce enough vitamin D, so that naturally also, even after the supplement is stopped, you still have enough vitamin D in your body and you get it on a continuous basis. So these are the top 5 things that your brain would require on everyday basis. Make sure you include them into your diet and get boost your brain and your memory cells as well, and keep it stronger for longer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what I say, please do like, share and subscribe, and we'll come up with a new set of topic tomorrow. See you till then.